Hi everybody, we are going to talk a little iMovie basics today. So as you can see, I've already opened up iMovie, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new project. So I go up to File and New Project, and I can name it whatever I want to. So I'll just call this iMovie Basics. And so I have my blank slate down here. Again, if you're working in a different version of iMovie, all of this might be up here and your recordings down below. Could be flip-flop, just depends on the version you're working with. And now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and record myself, because I'm just going to do a vlog right here from the computer, from the built-in iSight. So I'm going to click on the little movie button right here, and I'm going to get the capture screen with the built-in iSight, and I'm going to go ahead and click capture. And I would be creating a new event, and I'll just call this event iMovie Basics and click OK. Okay, so obviously you can see that the screen is recording. I could talk about whatever I wanted to. I could talk about this glass of wine sitting here. It's white and it's in a glass, obviously. This is really interesting vlogging content, but just to kind of give you an example of taping yourself. So that's a first take. When you're done with the take, you can click stop, and then you can click, and it'll say that it's creating it and generating thumbnails, which usually is pretty quick depending on the length that you taped of yourself. So you just have to give it a second to create the thumbnails. And then you can click done. And those thumbnails are now up here. Everything that you just recorded is up here. Let's say that you felt that you didn't get enough information. You felt that there was something more you wanted to add. You can go back, click here, and you want to make sure that when you click capture that you're adding to the event that you already started. So I'd go and find the iMovie Basics that I already started, and I'd be adding to that existing event. Okay, and then I would record whatever I wanted to. I'd click OK, record whatever I wanted, generate the thumbnails again, and add it to there. But I'm not going to put you through watching me record a senseless vlog again. So we'll just close that. Okay, so I have my information up here, but it's not down in my movie yet. What I get to do now is I get to choose what is actually brought down. So I could either take the whole thing, which by just clicking up here, I get the little yellow highlighted area. And you can see as I kind of move the mouse, I can hear what I'm saying. I can also press the space bar, and as you can see, it plays what I've already recorded right here, so I can edit it to figure out what exactly I want to bring down to my video. If I wanted to bring the whole thing, I would just move the yellow bars, highlight it, and drag it down. Okay, so that's bringing the whole part of the video. You'll see that now I have a red line showing me what part was already imported down into my actual video. Let's say that I just wanted to take a small portion. So I just obviously manipulate it so I get that exact portion that I want. Use the play bar so you kind of know where you want it to end. Just to kind of give you an example of, you'll know where that play bar is, you get exactly what you want, and then you can drag that down as well. So it just depends on how much you want out of what you recorded to bring down to your actual video. Now, as far as, so we've recorded ourselves, we've started a new file, and we've done some basic editing. Now if we wanted to add caption titles, we wanted to add, something funny onto here, little text bubbles basically. We go over here and we have our 4 options. We have our adding in music, photos, text, and our transition. So I'm going to choose text, and I have all these different types of text to choose from. I'm going to, let's say, select this one. And I could either use this as a text slide itself, where I drag it over, and it's its own text slide, and I could write whatever I wanted to on here. I could say, my favorite wine video. Okay? If I don't want to have a subtitle, I don't have to have it. And then I just click done. And I have one, title slide all on its own. I can also add captions to what I'm saying in the video, and I do it the same way. I drag it over. I'm just putting it over what I have already recorded. So I take this and I drag it over wherever I want it to go. I can also manipulate how long it's on the screen for. You can see this little bubble where you're able to manipulate. You can see the seconds go down as I make the bubble smaller. I can move my bubble if I don't have it at the right exact spot. So if I say something where, you know, I kind of want to have some sort of title text come up, I can move it to that certain point. You can see I can again use the player and hear what I'm saying in a specific spot and move it to that area. And I can just go and type whatever it is I want it to say. I can say, you know, look at my wine glass or something riveting like that. And I can click done. And then as I play, you can see that it's now showing up on my video. So again, I can move that, I can shorten it, I can manipulate this to whatever size I want it to be. If I wanted to add a title slide at the beginning of my video, just stating my name, my blog, etc., I can throw that in there as well. And then when I have it all done, just, you know, my basic iMovie, this is all I really need. What I'm going to do, down here I can see how long my video is, 41 seconds total, very short video. And then what I can do is I can go and share it and post it to YouTube. So I go up to share to YouTube. I'm on my account, which is Nina Dub. I'm logged into there already. I'd use my password. I can add in my title, whatever I want it to be titled on my YouTube channel. I can add in a description of the video right here. And I can add in my tags for SEO when it comes for searchability for my video. I'd add all of that in and click next. So we'll go ahead and do that. And iMovie Basics tutorial. Okay, then I'd add some tags in, click next, and I'd click publish, and it would publish to my YouTube page. Usually takes a couple of minutes. It'll tell you when it is all published and when it is ready for viewing. And that's it. Thanks for checking this out.